Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining us today. It's a very exciting day here at iHomefinder. We have been working on a new solution for agents that we think you're going to really like. We haven't created a website or plugin that does your work for you, but we think you're really going to find this product makes your job a lot easier and will make you more productive so you can close more business. We have combined our premium services for agents with some web blog content. And at the heart of this system is our real estate CRM for agents, which is a brand new real estate CRM. My name is Hank Hansen. On the marketing team, I'm here with Flynn Waters, our VP of Products, and Justin Kerr, our sales team lead. Before we get started, we're going to just take a look at how to use GoToWebinar. You'll see you can open and hide the control panel to the right. You'll also find controls for audio there. Everybody's on mute by default. And you can submit questions and comments in the questions panel, and we will be getting to your questions in the Q&A session towards the end of the webinar. And this webinar is being recorded. Everybody attending will receive an email with a link to watch the webinar at any time they choose. It will be online later on. So we're going to take a look at the new agent solution, what it is, and the problems it solves. And we're going to give you a tour of the CRM, and we're going to review pricing, and we have a special offer to announce, which is in effect today only, and we'll have a Q&A session at the end to answer your questions. So let's just jump in. There's a number of problems this solution solves. I'm going to go through them pretty quickly here. We are here at any time to give you a more in-depth look. I'm going to provide information later on how you can reach our team here to get a tour. So we have a lot to cover. This package is just amazing how much it packs in. So we want to get into it right away and make sure you can see the demo as well of the CRM. All right, so managing your website is time-consuming and expensive. I think most of you know that. This solution provides you with a beautiful website built on WordPress that's ready to use. And we do all the heavy lifting with initial setup and customizations, so you're online fast, usually within a couple of weeks. It's also hard to compete with big search sites. How do you keep new leads and clients returning to your site instead of the big search sites? Eureka Search really solves this problem. Buyers and sellers who are used to using the big search sites will feel right at home with this fast and beautiful search experience. And it includes sold listings in most locations. It also puts lead capture opportunities throughout your website. When you start typing a location, you'll really be impressed with how smart that autofill is. Next problem. Most agents know they need to stay top of mind with their leads and somehow provide relevant market-related content. And some agents get systems that send boring, kind of one-size-fits-all drip emails, which are not really helpful and don't really help move leads closer to a transaction. So how do you do this? How do you make it personalized for each lead? This is exactly what Market Boost does, included in this package. It delivers automated emails and updates for your website for any location you choose. You can even choose to draw on a map to define a location. And you position yourself as a local expert, attracting new content subscribers, and you're really providing content that helps buyers and sellers with useful market information that isn't just fluff. All this happens while you are focusing your time on closing clients. Next problem, have you heard you should be regularly posting new content to your site or blog? You probably have. It helps drive new traffic to your site and helps build trust with new leads who are choosing between agents. Will they go with the agent with a stagnant site? Probably not. You want fresh, unique content. It gives them another reason to come back regularly, and it adds content you can share with past clients in your newsletters. So we provide a content solution in this package, and professionally written blogs are published to your website. Normally once a month, but we have a special promotion today only. You will get our content services package, which publishes content a lot more frequently, and we're going to get into the details of that in a little bit. This is a great special opportunity to get this content services package. Moving on to lead management insights. Managing leads is obviously crucial to your growth. You really need to have access to your leads' information and their interests with you at all times so you can prepare for calls, prepare for showings, and really learn who is most active on your site so you can prioritize your time. We include our iOS and Android app in this package that does all of these things. So it's really nice to just access all this information immediately on your smartphone or your tablet and not have to log into a system on your mobile browser. So you can see a live feed of your site activity, access and update your leads, see what content is, which listings are catching your leads' interests, and think about being out at an open home. You can easily enter everybody who shows up on your tablet right away. They go right into your system and they fall right into your drip email campaigns right off the bat. So you may have problems with juggling too many systems. A lot of agents do. It's complicated, it slows you down, yet a lot of agents use a CRM for managing their business that's separate from their IDX service. So this solution, really at the center of it, is a brand new, beautiful real estate CRM for agents. We're not new to CRMs. We already offer one for agent teams in our One platform, which is for brokerages. This new agent CRM has just the right combination of tools to make your life easier without adding a bunch of complexity that slows you down. And with the CRM, you'll be able to organize and manage your leads, optimize your time and know who to contact, stay in touch with campaigns and automation in your system, and track communications and interactions. Next problem, follow-up. So we really know that most agents are not following up with leads fast enough. A number of studies have shown this. And this problem with responsiveness creates missed opportunities when leads choose another agent who is just more responsive and appears more on the ball. So this is solved very simply with marketing automation, which is now built into our CRM in this package. And you get immediate follow-up and nurture for every new lead. New leads can even enter from other systems and automatically enter your campaigns. We support over 30 other third-party systems. And smart content automatically provides listing recommendations based on your lead search behavior, which is really nice. So it really appears that you're looking at their history and providing recommendations, and drives people back to your site. And finally, you can easily edit emails and campaigns in this system. So how do you get a predictive flow of traffic to your site? That's a challenge a lot of agents have. You can waste a lot of money buying traffic that's bad or marginal and not really qualified. This solution provides a steady flow of visitors who are qualified as buyers and sellers in your market. And another problem agents have is websites just take up a lot of time and detract you from your other work that helps you close business. So we have setup services in this package that provide everything you need to get your site up and running as quickly as possible. We will do all the customization and setup work. We'll create markets in your account that provide insights into local areas. We have a lead import service, and you'll be online fast. Probably within 2 weeks generally is the time frame. So as you can see, we solve a lot of problems with this new service, and it's going to help you get ahead with your business and focus on closing. Each of these features have a lot to them. They're really in-depth and very powerful. We encourage you, if you'd like to take a closer look, to go to our website and schedule a tour with our team. They'd be happy to give you a closer look. We also want to make sure that you have basically everything you need at your fingertips to help your business. So we're going to jump into the demo here, and Flynn is going to walk us through the CRM, and I'm going to switch it over to Flynn here. Are you ready, Flynn?
I sure am.
Just give us one moment, folks. Okay.
All right. We ready to go? So you think
Looks good.
Thanks everybody for joining us. And like Hank said, we're really excited about what we're launching today. It's been a lot of work for us, and we're really excited. We put a lot of thought into this. We've been providing IDX and website solutions for agents for a really long time, so we know agents and their problems really well. And so we're happy to have a solution here that will give you a boost in your business and hopefully just be an easy thing for you to use, because there are a lot of CRMs out there. Many of you probably are aware of this. A lot of them are really complicated. A lot of them require hours and hours of training. And while they do great stuff, a lot of agents don't have the time to invest in that amount of learning. So our focus was to build something that's sophisticated, that can do all that stuff, but that's easy to use, and that's going to give you all of the insight that you need, but not require you to have an advanced degree in our CRM. Hopefully it's just going to work with the way that you work. Yeah, and another great thing about our CRM, a lot of times when you get a CRM, you have to integrate it with all of the other systems that you're using, like Hank was saying. And this one, because it's all together automatically, your website and your CRM work together. So all of the leads that you're bringing into the system, all the leads that you're getting from your website are going to be right there. You're going to have the same level of amazing insight into all of them, and you're going to be able to work all of your leads in the same efficient way. So let's take a look here and learn more about how you can use our CRM to manage your leads and your business. So the first thing that you see here is the CRM dashboard. This is your home base. And these aren't just pretty charts that look cool. We want to show you information that's going to help keep you organized, help you prioritize, and help you focus and succeed. So this is a demo account, so I have 0% on the activity, but ideally, you're going to be getting really good stats on engagement here. So it's going to let you see a little about the quality of the leads that you have, how active your database is, how many of them are receiving communication from you. And again, marketing automation is going to help you improve both of these numbers, right? Because the more subscribers you have, the more engaged they're going to be, the more you're going to learn about those folks. So in addition to this, you also get trends on user activity over the last 12 months. And down here you get a real-time feed of all of the lead activity on your site. So you get all sorts of information about leads, both kind of on the micro level and up on the macro level. But here you can also see the big picture for your business. You're going to be able to view your pipeline as a whole. And this gives you a sense of how many leads you have at each stage, so you can plan, shows you where you need to focus your efforts. So say you have a few under contract, but you're not really nurturing many leads. That's going to give you the insight when you log in every day, a couple times a day, and you're going to see where you need to be putting your effort, right? Because once you close those deals, you don't want your business to dry up, right? So it's going to keep you on top of things, let you know where you need to be concentrating, because you are busy people. You have a lot of things going on. It's hard to keep everything rolling at the same time, but it's always good to have a reminder of what you need to focus on. So this is also going to be a valuable tool for you when you're looking at your marketing budget, your marketing strategy. So lead aggregation is going to pull all of your leads into the CRM for you to work. And here we're going to be displaying the ones from the last 30 days by source. This lets you see where you're getting the most traction with your marketing efforts. And that information is going to empower you to make really good decisions about where your marketing dollars are going. So, right, maybe that Zillow campaign, the zip codes that you bought aren't working out after all. That gives you the knowledge that you need on a really quick look. It gives you tons of information right there. So in addition to that, on the dashboard, we're going to show you your own activity here. And that brings us over to the Action Center here on the right. So your activity of what you've done in the last 7 days, as well as some suggested daily goals. So these are going to link you to a list of leads that you can take action on right away. So it's going to be people you haven't called in a while, people who aren't subscribers. And it's going to go and optimize your time, help you stay productive, help you stay motivated, and hopefully, give you a little bit of a sense of accomplishment when you get those goals done every day. This is also where you'll be able to see upcoming birthdays, transaction anniversaries, as well as reminders of any scheduled tasks that you have set up in the task manager. Moving on to the lead list, this is going to give you a high-level view of all of your database here. And you have the ability to apply some pretty sophisticated filters to drill down to just the leads you want to see. So obviously you can search for just one lead, but say that you are trying to follow up with people who registered at your open house last weekend, and you tagged all of those people with 50 Winterfell, the address. So when you come in here, you can just see those folks, and you can see their status, who you've talked to, who you haven't talked to yet, and you can just go in quickly and give them a call and update their status right there, so you can stay organized, stay on top of your leads, and get in touch with the people that you need to get in touch with. So once we get into a lead record, you're going to get all of the insights that you need on a lead. It's going to give you great background information on people. It's going to give you really good conversation starters. It's going to make you informed about all of your leads. So you'll see what they've been up to on your website. You'll see their current subscriptions. So if they're on a marketing automation campaign, if they've signed up for email alerts, you can drill down in there and see what click-throughs they've had. In addition to that, you can check out their property organizer, the terms of their saved searches. If they have any favorited properties here, you'll be able to see those as well. And we were talking about having the ability to, get all this information right before you make the call. We are going to keep this contact detail section open all the time. So regardless of what you're looking at, you have their information right here. You're going to be able to build out their profile. So they come in, you have their phone number, maybe just their email. But as you work with them, you're going to be able to build out that profile with additional contact information. Are they a buyer, a seller, a renter? Enter a birthday or a transaction anniversary so you won't forget to follow up with card. And you can also star or tag leads here. We have a number of pre-created tags for you, but depending on how you work, you can also easily assign custom tags to a lead. So, in this example, we have most of the leads tagged with the zip code of where they're looking. So that can make it really easy for somebody to filter down and get in touch. Say you have a listing coming on the market and you want to grab those folks and give them a call. It's a really easy way for you to organize. And it works with how you want to organize, right? How you are going to be working with your leads and what makes sense for you. So over here, you can also update their pipeline status. Now, this is what's going to give you that pipeline funnel on your dashboard. And beyond that, you can come in here. Well, so that's going to give you a quick view on what that relationship is, right? And you're going to be able to chart their progression throughout. And say the lead doesn't work out, you mark them as dead, they'll just fall off out of that pipeline. But ideally, you'll be able to skip that step and go straight through. And let me see here, right? We also have this history tab. So this is a really great place where you can track the details of that relationship, right? So if somebody goes silent for 3 months on you, but then they call you again, you're going to be able to pick right up and know exactly who they are, what the details were, and all of your interactions with them. And you can file notes here, you can log calls, and again, that's going to all feed into the activity or the Action Center's logged calls to help you chart your own activity. So there's a lot more here. We're just trying to give you a high-level look at the new stuff. Our sales team would love to show you more about it. So we hope that you'll be in touch. But that is the first look at our agent CRM that you can use to manage your leads and build your business.
Thank you, Flynn. That was great. Very exciting. Lot there under the hood and a lot more to show you. So we are ready here to answer your questions and give you a personal tour when you're ready.
All right, folks, thank you. That's right. And again, thank you so much for spending time with us on Cyber Monday and to make it worth your while. As Hank did steal my thunder a little bit earlier and mention, we have an absolutely, positively fantabulous deal for you. Now let's talk a little bit about why this Cyber Monday deal is absolutely bananas. And as you can see, for all of you who call in today and you tell your iHomefinder rep, hey, Justin, sign me up for this amazing new CRM. You're not only going to get the new CRM, marketing automation, and an amazing new website that, oh, by the way, we're going to drive traffic to. You're also going to get, well, he already put it up there, so free quarter of express content. That's right. If you sign up today, you get this $500 offer 100% free, not a zilch. Just call in, sign up, and we'll send you everything you need to do to select your 10 unique blog topics to make your site, well, more you.
And Justin.
Yes.
Tell us. Tell us a little about content marketing.
Yes.
And why this isn't just another.
This isn't a throwaway.
This is another bullet we're adding here.
No,
this is a whole different whole.
This isn't a bullet. This is like, hey, we're going to give you a tank, so drive carefully. Yeah. So content marketing is really going to help you with a number of different things. First off, with new inbound new users, new inbound content, new users. It allows your visitors to frequently return back to your site for content on more than just home buying. It also helps to make you the local market expert with topics or categories of your choosing as well. And it also then helps you with your social media, right? These articles are easily shareable on all of your social media accounts, and they're going to drive your followers back to your branded site. That way you can use your status as an influencer to help local sellers and out-of-market buyers. It's also going to help you with your PPC campaigns because you can drive those PPC campaigns to those new articles, and that's going to engage those website visitors with that fresh content on several categories and topics that are relevant to not just buyers, but sellers as well. And finally, but most importantly, let's talk about how this is going to also help your SEO. Fresh, unique content is a key element of any SEO strategy. Now, Google spiders, they're out there routinely crawling your site, spider sites, and having 13 new posts for every quarter is an easy way to keep the spiders happy, right? We want to keep the spiders happy because happy spiders equals better rankings, and happy spiders and better rankings equal happy agents.
Excellent. So we have the details here of content services. We have weekly articles published to your blog for 3 months. 10 articles on topics you choose, written by professional writers, 3 monthly articles with national real estate news, and you can see we have a range of topic categories you can choose from for these custom blog posts unique to your site that go onto your blog.
Yeah, and if you don't pick 10 categories off the top, let's say you only pick 2 or 3, we can filter through and we'll average them out and you'll get 1, 2 from each of the different categories that you select.
Excellent.
Now, for that special offer, all you have to do is call in today. That is Prime plus the CRM. It's only $199.95 a month. That is a website, IDX, and CRM with lead aggregation, drip marketing, an app to help you maintain your leads, all of that, plus a quarter's worth of free blog content if you sign up today and pay $199.95 a month, or you sign up for an annual account and decide to save yourself 10%, but you will be paying that one-time setup fee today as well.
Right, and just to remind folks, that's a $500 service you're getting for free for a quarter.
For Cyber Monday.
So if you wait till after today, that is a $500 service.
Yep.
So again, the name of the package is Prime plus CRM, and you will find it at our website /pricing/agent-pricing, or you can just select pricing in the top right there on our website and choose agent, and you'll see a column labeled Prime plus CRM.
Yeah, or that number, option 2, right there.
Yes, we have 3 other channels here to reach us directly. Email sales@iHomefinder.com, call us at 866-700-8855, or you can chat with one of our specialist here during business hours, and just go to our homepage. You'll see a chat option.
Absolutely.
Okay, so we are going to answer your questions here in our Q&A session, or we're going to put the phone on pause for a moment so we can pull up your questions, and we'll be right back with you. Okay, thank you for your questions here. Someone asked, what do we mean by qualified leads? Well, the leads that we're sending to your site as part of the traffic, again, this is not a lead service. It's a traffic service. So a specific number of people will be directed to your site, and we know that they are active buyers and sellers in your area. That's what the traffic service does.
All right, Sonia asked, she's just curious if this will be able to be, we're going to be able to review this webinar afterwards. Yes, absolutely. We're going to send out the recording, and it will also be available for those of you who don't follow us and subscribe on YouTube. I'm missing your comments, but please subscribe to us on YouTube. It will be there. Hi, Mike. Good to see you. No, this will not. Can
I grab this one?
Yes.
Sorry. So Michael is asking if this new CRM replaces the mini CRM that's there for agents now. So it doesn't replace it if you're a current client and you are enjoying the lead section of our IDX control panel. That won't change. This is a different package that includes the CRM, so it has all of that expansion. It includes marketing automation and lead aggregation and all of those other things. So it is an upgrade.
All right, will the brokerage dashboard be updated to look like this for agents as well? Not at this time right now. We're working on this for the agent plans, but thank you for asking.
And as far as Facebook as a lead source, we pull in leads from all different sources. There is currently a way to get your leads from Facebook in. It requires a little bit of a Zapier connection, but we can help you sort that out. So I will get our support team to be in touch with you.
For those of you who are asking about pricing for the plugin, we will have a sales team member reach out to you to provide you with pricing for the plugin.
Yes, that is coming shortly.
By the end of the month, yep.
There are a couple of questions about that.
Right.
You folks with your own sites are looking to add these services to your existing site. That will be possible for sure.
Yes.
But the CRM with the website is the only package that will include the traffic and the content services. That will not be available for plugin folks. That is only available if you purchase the Prime plus CRM package.
We did have a question, how long is that promo good for? It is good for today, and it does include website hosting as well. That is for our hosted WordPress website. Yes, we can connect to feed leads into the pipeline from places like Realtor.com, Trulia. If you have a list of sources that you wanted to ask your sales team member about, we'd be happy to answer those questions to make sure that that is something that we can definitely line up for you.
And we have an API connection to Realtor.com and Zillow and Trulia, so you'll be able to get those leads in really easily.
Both Donald and Morgan had questions. It sounds like they have an account already and looking to accomplish some specific things. You can reach our support department here at support@iHomefinder.com. Just send them an email. That will create a ticket. You'll be in our system. They will follow up with you and be happy to help you with your questions.
Nick, great question. If you go ahead and you sign up with us today, we do on all of our Prime accounts have a promise to have that account up and running within 2 weeks of you signing up. That is pending the MLS approving the IDX feed for your website, as I'm sure all of you are very aware of how MLS approvals can work.
Does the package include website hosting? Yes, it does.
Yes.
So that's the site that we're selling as part of this package. You don't have to worry about the hosting. It's taken care of.
And yeah, if you're asking for questions about, if you're a current client who has questions about adding the CRM to your plugin, we have your contact information here, so we'll get the sales team in touch with you. And I do see some other questions here about integrations. future or other features that you're looking for. And this is our first launch. Like all of our products, we are continuously improving them. We have a team of really talented engineers who are working on this. So we are happy to get feedback. We're going to be really working closely with the CRM folks once they sign up to learn what we can do to make the product better for you, as we do with all of our products. It's really important to us that it's functional for you, and we're going to do what we can to meet your needs.
And again, call in now, and let's get going and get, that way by the time 2020 rolls around, you got a brand new website with blog content and everything, and you are ready to rock going into next year.
Yeah, I'm going to put this contact information back up on the screen here. Before we close out, we really want to thank you all for your time today, and we've had a lot of fun sharing this new platform with you, and we're excited to show it to you individually and help you with signing up. Have a great day, and we'll see you at the next webinar.
Talk to you next time.
Bye-bye.
Or later today.